Hello, everyone. My name is Louis Avila. I am here basically just trying to teach you guys the basic fundamentals of AutoCAD. Um, this here is my work, but let me just get to a fresh page. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, give me some feedback. Maybe you guys probably have YouTube channels or have YouTube videos out that, I'm a freshman to this, new to this, true to this. Architecture is what I've been doing. I've been doing it for about 2 years now. Um, and just learning still each day. AutoCAD is one of the good applications like to be able to use. Keep on using it. You'll be able to perfect a better craft and a skill set because AutoCAD is one of the best essential programs to be able to use. This helped me how to leverage so I could be able to get my first job. But I just wanted to basically teach you guys a little quick tutorial of like how to utilize AutoCAD. Right here we have model space. Here we have paper space, which is like basically like page one and page two, layout one and layout two. Here we have our layers. I have a layer of zero, curve, and view. You could be able to go and create more layers, pretty plain and simple. I have so many layers in one of my other files. Here you can just name it however you may want to name it. A for architecture, appliances, going down the list, so many and just so forth. And you could just be able to change the colors of however you may want. Um, so yeah, when you want to create new layers, you can just go hit that button right there, layer 7, manipulate it and change it however you may want. Um, there you go. Or you could just delete it. You can delete it. So that one's that. Here we're on the layer state of 0. We're gonna go here, create a line, click, click, click. I'll hit escape. This line right here is one segment. There's another segment, polyline. Click, 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 escape. All this is one segment. It is all joined. It's combined. That's a polyline. Now this, click that one line, click that other line, press J, press enter. There you go. You got a polyline. You hover right over this, it says polyline. There you go. Control all, delete. That circle, click on a circle. You can have it to any diameter or circumference wherever you may want. Hit 20 feet. There you go. That's a 20-foot circle. We're in model space. Make sure your units is right. Click, type in units, press enter. There's your settings for units. You might want to change it to decimal form, however precise you want to be. You got engineering, fractional, and scientific. I keep it on architectural. Squares, I use squares often, whether if it's at work, school, stuff like that. There's a square. If you want to scale it, you can use this command, turn it on or off. I keep it on the OSNAP, and then you can just pick to where you want to scale it. When you scale it, say I click here, I'm scaling the size of it. You can scale the size of it, however you may want, how big you may want it. All right. So you can use that. Easy commands like move, rotate, trim. You can mirror an object, scale, array, offset, explode an object if it's a square. Say if it's a square and you want to be able to explode it, it's going to turn all the all this into lines. Click on that, press enter. Now all of these are lines. Say I want to move an object, pretty plain and simple, like that. Click the object, press enter. There's a lot of other short keys and commands that people can use in order to use these commands by just using the keyboard. Some people will keep one hand on the keyboard, one on the mouse, and then just they're on go. Using the text command, this is really good. People use the text command to be able to, of course, put it in on their floor plans, elevation plans, etc. You could change the height of however you may want the text size to be. See, 5 feet. That's too much. I Right there is fine. So let's just put a, let's see what's the size of that. It's really small. We can go in there and fix it though. So let's go here. Let's just put 1 foot. There we go. You can always manipulate the size. There's so much other commands in there, but I just wanted to be able to get you guys the basic fundamentals of how to use these two. That's a rough tutorial for you guys. Make sure you just keep on playing around with those to keep on learning. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Check in with other videos if you want to know more information. Stay tuned. Peace.